What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify this expression, radical expression. We have square root of 96 r cubed s cubed. So we can write it like 48 times 2 times r cubed s cubed. Or we can say 32 times 3 times r cubed s cubed. So as you see here, this one is better, so I change it to 2 to the power of 5 3 r cubed s cubed. Then we change it to 2 to the power of 4 2 instead of 2 to the power of 5 I wrote 2 to the power of 4 times 2, and then times 3 times r squared times r, because r cubed is r squared times r. Same thing for s squared times square root of s. Then we can simplify this one. It's going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. This one is going to be r, and this one is going to be s times 2 times 3 is 6, r times s, rs. So 4rs times square root of 6rs is going to be the answer. Next example is 300 p to the power of 9 times q to the power of 11. The answer will be 3 times 100 p to the power of 8 times p, which is going to be p to the power of 9, q to the power of 10 times q. That makes it 10 squared for 100, 3 p to the power of 8 p q to the power of 10 q. So this part is going to make it 10, this part is going to make it p to the power of 4, and this part is going to be q to the power of 10 divided by 2, which is going to be 5, and the rest will be 3p in q. So square root of 3p in q. That's the final answer. Next example. We have 192 q to the power of 3 r to the power of 7. Answer will be 64 times 3 makes it 192 times q squared times q times r to the power of 6r. So that makes it 8 squared 3 q squared q r to the power of 6 and r. That makes it 8 q, and this one is going to be r to the power of 6 divided by 2, which is r to the power of 3 qr. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.